Correct. So we have to start with question number 19. Read question.
Oh god, I hate these questions. The vector minus 3 and 7 translate to A and B. Write down the vector that translates to B to A.
Yeah. So the vector that translate B to A is the opposite. So what we do, we just do negative of this because this is for A to B, right? If we have to do B to A, this is just opposite of this, right? Opposite means just change the sign. So just this negative 3 will become positive 3 and 7 will become negative 7. Just make sign opposite. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose a vector that translate A to B is this. Can you write down the vector that translate B to A for this? Yeah, tell me.
Is it minus 5 and then 2?
Yes, exactly. Just change the sign. Read question number 20.
The attendance for a rugby match is 8400. I mean, 1,000 to the nearest
8,400.
to the nearest. Write down the minimal possible attendance.
Hmm. Okay. And then maximum. So this
Yeah.
number is to the nearest 100. It is to the nearest 100. So minimum possible attendance means it is the lower bound of this range. Like to find the lower bound when we are rounding to nearest 100, we divide 100 by 2, whatever value is given there. So 100 by 2 is, if I divide 100 with 2 is, it will give me 50. Yeah, so just subtract that from 800, I mean 8,400. So if you subtract 50, you get 8,350. Now if you round it to nearest 100, you get the same number, right?
Yeah.
Like if you write 8,349, it will round up to 8,300, right? Round down
Yes.
to. So you have to write a number, the minimum number that should round to 8,400 if you round it to nearest 100, right? So this is the minimum number. If you just decrease it by 1, it will round to 8,300, right? Are you
Yeah.
getting what my point? Yeah, are you understanding it?
Could you explain again, please?
Sure. Do you know like rounding numbers?
I know rounding numbers, but could you just explain to me?
Okay. For example, if I have 8,320. So if I round it to nearest 100, nearest 100 means like this number comes, this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds, right? So 320, if you check this is less than 500, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if this number, or you, let me explain it the other way. If this digit, if this digit for 100, you will check tens digit. If this is less than 5, then you round it up. Like 320, it comes between 300 and 400, right? But 320 is close to 300, right? Then 400, right? So the answer would be 800, 8,300. If you have a number like 8,460, so you will check this digit. If this digit is greater than 5 or 5, then you round it up. Up means what comes after 400? uh, I mean 460. this
Yeah.
this number will become 8,500 because this number comes between 400 and 500, but it is more close, it is closest to 8500. If you don't know rounding at all, I can explain it with nearest 10. We can round a number to nearest 10. For example, like let's say you have 23. So this number comes between 20 and 30, right?
Yeah.
What is the halfway between 20 and 30? It's 25, right? Like the number that comes between 20 and 30. 23, it will be somewhere here. So 23 is closer to 20 than 30, right?
Right.
So if you round 23 to nearest 10, then you will get 20. Okay? Because
Uh,
23 is close to 20 than 30. So we write the previous multiple of 23, multiple of 10, 20 and 30. And then we check to which number it is nearer to. That's our answer. Okay?
okay.
Let's see. We have, can you round 56 to nearest 10?
It's by it's by 50, so it's closer to 60.
Hmm. So the answer is 60, right? Now, if you have a number, suppose you have 346. This number comes between 300 and 400. But if you see, it is closest to 300 uh, to 300 than 400, right?
Yeah.
So if you round it to nearest 100, you will get 300. Okay? So that's how we round a number. Now, if we have 8460, if you round it to nearest 100, what would you get?
Pardon?
Can you round 8460 to nearest 100?
Yeah. Would
Right?
it be 8,050?
No, nearest 100.
Oh. So do I find it for the full?
Yeah, check 460.
Will it be 560?
Yeah, it is close 8500, right? Because 460 is closer to 500 than 400, right?
Yeah.
So the answer would be 8500, right?
Yeah.
Can you round 350 to nearest 100?
Uh,
This number lies between which two number? Check multiple of 100.
300 and 400.
Exactly. And this is exactly halfway of 300 and 400, right?
Yeah.
So basically, whenever it is halfway, we write next number. Okay.
So
So the answer would be 400. Now let's come to our question. It is asking that there is a number which is 8400. If you round it to nearest like this is the number after rounding a number to nearest 100, you get this after
yeah.
rounding a number to nearest 100. You have to write minimum possible number, that if you round that to 100 you should get 8400. Minimum number, like after that number if you decrease it by 1 you should get some other number. So if I write here 8350, as I just told you, if it is 350, because it comes exactly between 300 and 400, right?
Yeah.
So this number is rounded up. You will get 8400 if you round it to nearest 100. But if you write 8349 and if you round it, you will get 8300, because 349 is closer to 300 than 400. Okay, so this is the minimum number possible, that if you round it to nearest 100, you should get this. If you decrease this number by 1, you will get, you will round it down. Okay,
Okay.
maximum possible number, that if you round that number, you should get 8400. Maximum number would be
400.
8450, because if you just do it 8451, it will round it like to 8500, right? Because
Yeah.
455, yeah. Okay, so there is a way of doing it. If you don't understand this way, just whatever number is given, you have to round it to nearest 100. Divide this number with 2, you will get 50. For minimum possible value, subtract this 50 from your question 8400, subtract 50 from it, you get 8350. For maximum value, this number, add it in 8400, you just add it, so you get 8450. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Next. Okay, let me ask you a similar question. Suppose you have 2300. You get this number after rounding a number to nearest 100. Okay, tell me minimum possible number.
Minimum. Okay, so we do 50, take away 2,300.
Yeah,
That will be. Is it 235?
yes, 2225, or is it 20 or 50?
Oh, yeah. 50.
And maximum possible number?
You have to add it, which is easier.
Okay,
Is it 2,305?
2350, right? Did you get 2350?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. So their years are given and number of workers are given, right? A graph is given on which you have on y axis you have number of workers, here you have year, right? Different values are given, and what it is asking, let's see. It says complete the graph. Okay, so a part of graph is completed, but it's not, I mean, done but not completed. Okay, let's see. So for 2015, what is the value? How many number of workers are there for 2015?
Um, 29.
29, which is done, right? You can
Yeah.
see. Yes. Then for 2016 it is done. Till 18 it is done, right?
Yeah.
We have to do from 2019. So let's see, 2019 is this, right? And the number is 62. So from 2019, 62 would be this. This is 62, right?
Yeah.
Here. And 2019 is this. So this point. Then 2020 it is 70. 70 is this. And 2020 is this, right? So where these two points meet, that is my point. Then for 2021, so 21 is this and 76. 76 would be this. So this is my 76 and this is my 2021. So they both line, if you draw a line, they will meet here, right? So this is my next point. For 2022, it's 80. 80 is this and this is 2022, right? If you match it here. So just join these points and that's how you will get a graph, right? Okay. Hello.
Hello? Sorry, my voice.
Okay. Estimate the number of workers at the company in 2023. What do you think? Can you try to figure it out how many workers would be there in 2023? Let's say there we have 2023. As you can see, there is a pattern being followed. The graph is going like this, up. So what could be the answer for 2023?
Um, I'm not sure how to work it out.
Okay. First of all, see the difference between each of them. This is from 34 to 29 minus 29 is 5. 42 to 34, 42 minus 34, no, just you can do it from graph. This is 200 2023 because the graph is going up, so you can just put a ruler there, and if you put a ruler over this line and extend it, like if you extend this line like this,
Yeah.
like this, so on 2023, this line is of 2023, it is crossing here at this point, right? Now you check, make line like this. Sorry, if you see, this is around 85, right?
Yeah.
So the answer would be 85. What you have to do, just extend this graph. Like if the graph is going like this and this is showing 2023 here, so if you extend this line, this is going to be your answer. You can just check y value. Should I explain again?
Yeah, could you explain it again, please?
Okay. So my graph is going like this. My graph is going like this till 2022. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will use, this is going to be 2023 year, right? After 2022. It is asking how many workers would be there in 2023 because the graph is going up. So according to this trend, if you see this trend is increasing, if you just increase your graph the same way it is increasing like this and check it from 2023, so and this line, this this point is going to be your next one, right? If you check, this
Yeah.
is around 90. Are you getting it? Just
Yeah.
extend this line and check this corresponding value of workers, because this side we have number of workers, right? That's
Yeah.
your answer. Hmm. This would be done properly with the help of ruler because I'm making a rough line, so it is not going to give me correct answer. Okay, you need a ruler for this.
90 then.
Yeah, but if you do it with ruler, you might get a different answer. Okay, and that would be your correct. Okay,
Okay.
Just keep a ruler and extend it till 2023 and check the y value. Y value means this vertical value. Hmm. Okay, here is a cone. Curved surface area is given, which is R and L are radius and slanting height. Beth tries to work out curved surface area in terms of pi. What mistake she made? Okay, okay. So this is the curved surface area of cone pi r l. Okay, where r is radius and l is slanting height. Do you know what is slanting height? Slant height.
Not, no.
Okay, this is a cone. This height, this from here to here, this is called slant height. Okay, and this height, this is not slant height. Like if we use this value, this is different, right? This is perpendicular.
Yes.
So slant height is 13 centimeter, right? So at place of L, what should I put? 13, right? And what is radius from this diagram? Can you tell me what is radius? R?
12.
No, what is radius? Radius is this, right? Circle. This is
Yeah.
called radius.
Oh, it's 5.
Yeah, it's 5. And then pi, we keep pi as it is, right?
Yeah.
So if you multiply 13 times 5, that would be our answer. But if you see here, Beth tries to work out, and at place of L, what did she put? What is the
5.
mistake?
She did 5 times 12.
Yeah, and 12 is this height, not slant height. Slant height is this, slanting line is this, right?
Yeah.
This is called so at place of 12, she should put 13 because this is not normal height, perpendicular height. It is slant height, which is 13, okay? That is the mistake, okay? Yeah, so you can write slant height is equals to 13, not 12. Next one. Adam uses pi is equals to 3 to estimate the area of the base of the cone. Work out his estimate. So what is the base of this cone? Can you see what is the base? This part
Is
is
it
the hmm,
the circle?
exactly circle. Do you know what is the area of circle?
5.
That's radius, right? This is radius of circle. If you have a circle, if this is the circle, this line that passes through the center, this is called diameter, and that meets at this the boundary of the circle. This is diameter, which is double of radius, and this part is called radius. So this is radius, this is diameter. The area of circle is pi r square. This is the formula, right? So at place of pi, Adam is using 3. So at place of 3, I can put at place of pi, I can put 3. The value or like exact value of pi is 3.14. But this is just estimate. So that's why we can just put 3 because that's given in the question. R square. What is the value of r in this diagram? What is r? Radius?
Radius, which is 5.
5. So 5 square means 5 times 5, right?
Yeah.
Now multiply them. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 is?
Uh,
Do it.
it's 75.
75?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So the answer is 75 centimeter square, okay?
Okay.
You have to remember these formulas. Area of
We
circle is pi r square.
I think we'll get a formula sheet with all formulas on it.
Okay. Like in exam you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't need to remember. Okay. Then Bath uses pi is equals to 3.14 to estimate area of base of the cone. Is Bath estimate more than or less than the Adams estimate? What do you think? What would be the answer for C?
Would it be less than?
Mm, how? 3.14, is it greater than 3 or less than 3? 3.14. Which is greater out of 3 and 3.14?
3.4, 3.14.
Yes. So if I plug 3.14 instead of 3, my answer should be greater than or less than.
Greater than.
That's why it is more than, okay? You can even try it. Pi r square. Pi is 3.14. Radius is r square, which is 5 times 5. So if you multiply them 25 times 3.14, you get 78.5. And here you got 75. So 78.5 is greater than 75, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, let's do this one, 23. Read it.
Oh, each day Eric drinks 1/4 pint of milk in the morning and 1/2 of a pint of milk in the afternoon. How many pints of milk does he drink in 30 days?
Hmm. So in 30 days, first of all, we need to add 1/4 and 1/2, right? Because this is for morning, this is for afternoon, right? So for to find total amount of milk drink in one day, right? In one day, how much he drink is, we find it with 1/4 plus 1/2. How do we add fractions? Do you know how do we add fractions? We need to make denominator same, right? Like if this is 4, this should be 4. How can I
Yeah.
make this 2 into 4? With which number should I multiply?
Uh, 2.
Yes, so with the same number we multiply numerator. Now multiply it, how much I would get here?
Would it be 2/4?
Yes, and this is 1 over 4. Now when denominator is same, what should be my answer now?
3 and 8.
No, when denominator is same, we just write it 4.
3
Write
over
it.
8.
So it will be 3 over 4. We just write this number as it is. We don't add denominator, we only add numerator, okay? So this is the milk drink he drink in one day. For how many days we have to find? For 30 days. If this much he drinks in one day, what would be the amount of milk he drink in 30 days? What do you think? What we need to do to find for 30 days?
Um,
We need to, this is for one day. We need to find for 30 days. What we need to do?
3 do 30, do 3/4 over of 30.
Yes, 3/4 times 30. We would multiply, right? To find the
First,
total amount of milk consumed in 30 days.
no, you have to first divide it.
No, we divide if let's suppose the amount of milk consumed in 30 days is given and you have to find it for one day. When you have to go from more to less, like for from more 30 is more and 1 is less, then you divide. But if you have to go from less, like from 1 to more, if you have to find more for 30 days, you have to find, then you multiply. Okay.
I divided. I'm like, do we first have to do 30 divided by 4?
Oh, okay, that is what you mean. Yeah, you can do that.
Which divide by 4?
If it is not completely divisible, you can first multiply these two, because 30
Oh,
does not come in 4 times table. So this will be
yeah.
30 times 3 is
We worked that out since it's not all kind. 90.
90 over 4. Now divide it with 4.
How do you divide that?
You see they both appear in 2 times table, right? So divide 90 with 2 and 4 with 2. So you need to divide both of them with 2. Okay. 90 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2.
I want to know 4 divided by 2 is 2.
Yes, the denominator is 2 and 90 divided by 2 is,
Mm,
like in 2 times table does 9 appears.
no.
So what is the number that is smaller than 9 but closest to 9?
8.
8, right? So 2 times 4, 8. Then you subtract them, 9 minus 8, 1. Then you pull this 0 down. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So the 45 is your answer. So the answer is 45 over 2. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Next. This is an algebraic equation that you have to solve. So first of all, can you tell me what are like terms here?
Like terms.
Yeah.
Um, can't remember.
Like terms means terms that have same variable. Like 7x and 4x, they both have x, right? So these are like terms. So you need to move x terms together on one side of equal sign, and the number should be other side. So if you move this is positive 4x, right? If you move it to this side, this will become negative 4x. Okay. This side you have 29. If you move this negative 20 to this side, opposite of negative is positive 22. So this 22 will become positive. Then you do 7 minus 4. How much is that? 7x minus 4x is
3.
3x,
3.
right?
Yeah.
Then you add 29 and 22, so you get 51. Now both like this 3 and x. When we write 3x, it means 3 times x. So here they are in multiplication. So if you take it to other side, this will come in division. Okay. Now you divide 51 with 3. So in 3 times table, does 5 appear?
No.
What number is smaller than 5 and closest to 5?
Is it a 3?
Yes, so 3 times 1, we write here 1, 3. Then we subtract 5 minus 3, 2. We note this 1 down. 3 times
7.
what is? Yeah, 7. So the answer is 17. So x is equals to 17. Okay.
Okay.
What we did, we moved x terms one side and number one side, and then we solved it. Okay. Can you
Okay.
try this? X minus 4 is equals to 10. Find x. X minus 4 is equals to 10.
What was x again?
Sorry, x you have to find x. X is
Oh,
unknown value. Find x.
wouldn't it be 6?
If you move this negative 4 to other side, it will become positive 4. You need to move everything from x. It should only be by itself. So 10 plus 4 is 14, right?
Yeah.
So let's do some more. Let's say we have x plus 2 is equals to 10. Can you find x?
Would that be the opposite?
Yeah,
Would it be 8?
very good. It would be 8. Good.
That should be 4 marks, not 3 marks.
Yeah,
I'm saying the grade, the mark, it should be 4 marks, not 3 marks.
no. Let's say you have y minus 10 is equals to 30. Find y.
Oh, y equals 10 plus 13. Is it 40?
Yes, it is 40. Good. Now let's say we have multiplication 1. If 2y is equals to 10, 2y means it is written as 2 times y. So
Yeah.
you need to move that to other side. So this is in multiplication. When you move it to other side, it will come in division. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay. Yeah, try this. 10x is equals to 80. Find x.
Is that multiplication or addition?
Yeah, that's multiplication. If there is no operation, you have to consider it multiplication.
The 8.
Yes, it is 8. Good. Now, if we have division 1, suppose x over 2 is equals to 3. So when 2 we move it to other side, this is in division, it will come in multiplication. So this will become 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay. Can you try this? Y over 5 is equals to 10. Find y.
2.
How?
Because if you do 10. Wait, no, no, no. It's 50.
Yeah?
Is it 50?
Yes, it is 50. Good. So now, like when we have same terms on one side, suppose we have 2x plus x is equals to 30. So first we add these like terms. These are called like terms because this term has x, this term has x. So they both are like terms. Like terms means same variable. Um, so 2x plus 1x is x means 1x. It means 1x.
Yeah.
2x plus 1x is
2x plus 1x. Wouldn't that be 2 minus 1?
no. How much is 2x plus x? 3x, right?
Oh, yeah.
And this side we have 30. Now can you find x?
I'm not sure. How do I do this one? I'm confused.
You have 3x is equals to 30. So 3 and x, they are in times. The operation is multiplication, right?
Oh, 10, 10, 10.
Yeah, x is 10. Hmm. So, okay, let me give you one more question like that. Try this. 4x plus 6x is equals to 100. Try this. Find x.
6x. What does that equal 10?
Yes, this is 10x is equals to 100. Find x.
Is 10. Because
100 divided by 10 is, yeah, 10. Good. Like this type of question, suppose you have 7x, not 7, let me use a different number. 10x minus 2. This side you have 2x plus 10. Can you try this?
is that 1x, the 10x?
Sorry, that this is 10x.
Um, is it 5x?
Um,
The first one.
Answer,
Yeah.
final answer. Okay, this is 8. No.
I'm for the first one.
Yeah. See, first what you did, you take this 2x this side, right? Because these two terms are like term, 10x and 2x. So they should be one side. And these two numbers, this is number and this is number, they should be one side. What we do, we move this number this side and this number this side, okay? So 10x, this 2x will become, if I move it to this side, this will become
Pardon? Will that be 10x equals?
minus 2x, right? Isn't it? This positive 2x will become negative 2x as we move it to other side of equal sign.
Oh,
Then we have equal sign here. This side we already have 10. We are moving to this side. So this negative 2 will become,
10.
this negative 2, if you move it to this side, it will become,
Will it become plus 10? Also
yes,
10.
plus 2. I'm asking about 2, not 10.
Oh,
10x minus 2x. This will give you 10x minus 2x is
8.
8x, and 10 plus 2.
And plus 2 will give me 12.
Yeah, now you divide this, if you move this 8 this side, you get 12 over 8, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Which you can simplify. If you divide 12 with the 2, you get 6. If this will become 4, again you get 3 over 2 if you divide them with 2, right?
Yeah.
um okay, I'm going to give you this question the same way you have to do this. 4x minus 10 is equals to 2x plus 20. Try this.
4x minus 10 is 6x.
How did you get 6x?
I did 4x minus 10.
But that you can't add or subtract unlike terms. Like this, only you can add x terms with x terms and number with number. Like 10
Yeah.
does not have x, so you can add these pairs. You can add or subtract number with number and x term with x term. These are called like terms, means same variable. Hello?
I'm working it out.
Okay, okay.
Is it 15?
Okay, 2 and very good. X is 15, absolutely correct. Okay, let's do 25th. Read question.
In our house, the floor area of the living room is 26 meters square. The floor area of the kitchen is 16.4 meters square. Express the area of the living room as a fraction of the area of the kitchen. Give your answer in its simplest form.
Yeah, so you have to write these two area in fraction. Okay, so first, what before fraction, like when you have to write something in fraction, you see express area of living room as fraction of area of kitchen. So which area we have to write in numerator? Then the like whatever is mentioned first. So which one
Yeah,
is
it's
mentioned first? Living room, which is,
26.
so
So
I will write 26 in numerator, and in the bottom one I will write area of kitchen, which is,
6.4 meters square.
yeah. Now we have to write it in simplest form. That means we need to divide them. If I see here, I can multiply to remove this decimal. What I can do, I can multiply both of them with 10, because if there is one decimal, one digit after decimal point, then I need to put 10.
Okay.
So this 26 times 10 is,
Is it 260?
okay, and 16.4 times 10 is,
Um, 16.40.
no. When we multiply a decimal number with 10, 100 or 1000, how many zeros are there?
1.
1. So we move the decimal towards right one place. So the answer is going to be 164 point. So we can just remove this decimal. It does not matter when it is at the end. So the answer is 164. Okay.
Okay.
Now if you see, they both are even number. Like if you check, the last digit is even. So that means these numbers are even. So we can divide them, right? 260 with 164.
Okay.
So if we divide numerator with 4 and denominator with 4, can you try divide 260 with 4 and tell me answer?
Two, one, four, 1 is 2. um, is
Yeah,
it 4? 240?
for 26, what would you take? Which digit?
Oh, I did it separately.
No, 2 does not appear in 2 times table, 4 times table. So
Oh, 24.
Yeah, which is 24 comes in 4 times table at 6, right? Then you subtract 6 minus 4, 2. Then you take this 0 down. 4 times 5 is 20, right? You
Yeah.
subtract, you get 0. So the answer is 65 here. Try this. 164 divided by 4.
Do I do 16 first?
Yeah, do 16 first.
That's 4.
Okay. And then,
That's 4 divided by 4, which is 1.
so the answer is 41, right? So that's our answer, okay? 65 over 41. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a quick break. After 5 minutes, we can start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be back after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Hello. Okay, let's continue. Hmm. So it says represent numbers, number which is greater than negative 2 and less than 4. You know this greater than and smaller, like less than sign, right? Hello? Yeah. This, what are the numbers that are greater than negative 2 and less than 4? Can you tell me?
5. It's less than 9. Isn't it
Yeah.
5?
Negative 2 is this
Yeah.
and 4 is this. So the values which are greater than negative 2 are these and less than 4 these. So we keep these circle open. Open circle means that these values are not included. Negative 2 is not included. After negative 2 these value, similarly 4 is not included. Okay, if we are including 4 then we fill this circle like this, and there should be a line underneath this sign. This line means equal. That means 4x is also equal to 4 and less 4, and all the values that are less than 4 are included. This sign is less than equal to. Okay, if there is just this sign, that means less than, like x is less than. But if this is the sign, then x is less than and equal to. Suppose x is less than and equal to 4, then we fill it. But since there is only less than sign, so we keep this circle open. Okay, so all these values are represented by this inequality.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. um so that's how we do. We make a circle on the values and represent the values. So let me ask you, uh, suppose we have this. Hmm, let's say x is greater than negative 3 and less than 2. Can you tell me where should I make circles on?
On -3 and 2.
Should I like fill them or keep them open?
Keep them open because no.
And then the lines between them, we should make a line between them, okay? That means all these values, okay? Clear? Okay, let's solve this. So this is an inequality. When we have this sign, this is a sign of inequality, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we have equal sign, that is called equation. So let me erase this. Yeah, here whenever we have to solve it, we have to find the value of variable. What is the variable here?
Is it y? 5y.
Yes, it is y. Just y, not 5. So we need only y this side. All other terms should I should move other side, okay? So first of all, I move 14 to other side of inequality. So 5y, we have this sign, then 11, this is positive 14. So it will become,
Would become. Could you explain that again, please?
sorry,
Explain that again, please.
yeah, this is positive 14. So if you move it to other side of inequality sign, it will become
Um. Before.
negative 14, right?
Oh yeah.
So we write negative 14. And negative like 14 minus 11 is, how much is
Uh,
this?
would it be 3?
Yes, positive 3 or negative 3?
Would it be positive?
Mm. If you see bigger number is 14, which is negative, so the answer is going to be negative, okay?
Okay.
This side I have 5y and this. Now, this 5, if I move it to other side, this will come in denominator, right? Because this is in multiplication. So that's going to be my answer, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, try this. Try this. Yeah,
Is it 9/2?
very good. It is 9 over 2. Y is greater than and equal to. How do we read
Yeah.
this sign? This is greater than and equal to. When
Yeah.
we have this sign, this line underneath this equal greater than, this line represent that this value is also included. If I write y is greater than 3, that means 3 is not included. It is 4, 5, 6, so on. All values which are greater than 3. But if I write y is greater than and equal to 3, that means 3 and all the values which are greater than 3 are included. Okay.
Okay.
Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A to B. Okay. Okay. Like there are two shapes, right? And one is bigger as compared to other. So it is asking to describe fully single transformation that map shape A to B. Okay. So shape A is If you see, this is enlarged as compared to B, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So to determine the transformation, first we observe the change in the shape size, orientation and position. So shape B is smaller than shape A, right? So it is an enlargement with a scale factor less than 1. Like this is smaller, we have to do A to B. So A to B, if it is smaller, that means the value is less than 1. A value of what? Value of in like scale factor. Scale factor tell us if the shape size has increased or decreased with what factor, because the shape will not change but the size would change. Okay,
Okay.
so the corresponding vertices are aligned along straight line. You can see this is aligned with this is aligned with this, right?
Yeah.
So this mm, basically, if you see the top right vertex of A, this one, this is 5 comma 5, right? X is
Yeah.
5, y is 5. Sorry, this.
Yeah.
And the right vertex of B, this one, um, yeah, x is 3 and y is negative 1, right? 3 comma
Yeah.
negative 1. Hmm, this is 3, yeah. So the ratio of the coordinates are going to be, we are going to divide this 5 with this 3. Okay,
Okay.
so the new length, actually what we need to do is to find the size. Let me use a red pen, make it more visible. The formula of scale factor is, we need to find new length and original length. If you
Yeah.
see the length, this length is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is 4. So original length is 4 and new length is 2, right? 1, 2, right? Right? So if we divide it, what we have to divide? New length with original length. If you see, new length is 2, 1, 2, and original length is 4. So 2 divided by 4, which is 1 half, right? If you divide 2 with 2, you get 1. 4 with 2, you get 2. 1 half is 0.5. So the answer is 0.5. Okay. How we did? We checked our original length, the new length, we divided them, and we got our answer. Okay. So scale factor. Scale factor means which explain with which size or with which factor the shape size has like enlarged or decreased or diminished.
Could
Okay,
you explain how you got the two fourths?
okay, I can explain it again. So the formula to find scale factor is new length and original length. This we are going A to B, right? So A is
Yeah.
our original length. If you see from here to here, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 units, right?
Yeah.
So this is my original length, which is 4. For the same side, if you see this, what is the length for shape B? This length is
Two.
2. So if you divide 2 with 4, we divide new with original, we get 2 over 4, which is 1 half, right? If you divide 2 with 2,
Okay. Oh,
which is 0.5, right? Or you can just write 1 half. No need to write in decimal, okay? So
okay.
the we can write that shape B is half of shape A. The size of shape B is half of size of shape A. Okay.
Okay.
This is what half means. Okay, there. I think this one is completed. Now I will
Yeah.
ask you some questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me ask it on this page only. Hmm, Try this. 2x plus x is greater than and equal to 12. Solve it.
Doesn't X mean 1? The
Yeah?
single X. The single X basically mean
Yeah,
1.
yeah, that means 1x.
Okay. So, is it 11 over 2?
11?
Yeah.
How? No. What are like terms here? 2x and
Is it?
x.
Yeah.
So add them first. 2x plus 1x is,
3X.
and which is greater than and equal to 12, right? Now, if you bring this 3 to other side, this is in multiplication. If you take to other side of equal sign, this will become in division. So x would be greater than and equal to divided by 3, which would give you 12 divided by 3 is 4, right? So x is greater than and equal to 4. That means 4 is include 4, 5, 6, all these values, right? Did you get it? Yeah? Did- Hello.
Hello?
Did you get it? I can't hear you.
I said yes, I understood it.
Okay, good. Now try this. I want you to do this one. Okay. If this is a triangle, the height of triangle is 3.1 and the base of the triangle is 4.2. Find its area of this triangle.
Wouldn't the area be the inside, so 3.1?
Area. What is the formula for area?
I remember the formula.
Base times height divided by 2, right? Multiply them and divide it with 2.
How to divide that by 2? That's a big number.
Sorry, this is base, right? 4.2 is base.
Yeah.
So you multiply 4.2, at place of b you are writing this, and h means height. So 3.1 is your height. First you multiply them and then you divide it with 2. This is the formula to find area of triangle. So multiply this 4.2 with 3.1.
I got 1,302.
Um, 4.2 times 3.1. No. 1,000. Did you get 4,000 or 1,000? What did you say? Can you repeat?
I said 1,000.
1,300 and?
and 2.
Okay, that's correct. I heard 4,000. Okay, 1,302. So now put decimal. Where would you put decimal in 1,302?
Where the 0 and 3 is.
Yes, between 0 and 3. Now divide it with 2. 1,302. This is what you got. If you divide it with 2, because does 13 comes in 2 times table?
Oh, so we do 12.
12. So which is at 6, right? 2 times 6 is 12. Then we subtract 13 minus 12, 1. Then we take this 0 down. Does 10 comes?
Yeah, it's 5.
So I write 5 here and then 10. Then we note it, like we take 2 down, uh, which is at 1, right? So the answer is 651. Where should I put decimal?
Where the 6 is.
Between 6 and 5, right? This, because after decimal there are 2 digits, so there should be 2 digits. So 6.51 is our answer, okay? Clear? So if I have two triangle, these two, let's say they are congruent, okay? This is 8 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So if this is 4 and this is 4, what would be the length, or what would be x value? Find x.
It's 8.
Yes, it is going to be 8 because congruent means same side, same angle. Okay, their corresponding sides and angle are equal. So this is also going to be 8. Good. Um, okay. So can you, like, if suppose I change the number, this 240 is 340 and this ratio is 2, 2 and 3. Can you work it out?
2 plus 3, which is 5.
Hmm.
Then do you do 34 divided by 5?
2 over 5 times 340, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, that's how we do, which is
Let me try to work it out.
divide this with 5, 340. You should be able to do it by yourself. Check in 5 times table, does 34 comes? No. So check the smaller number, smaller than 34.
Is it 62?
62.
5 divided by 340.
Okay, your final answer or 340 divided by 5?
340.
No, it's not 62. 60 is correct, but see, you do 5 times 6, which is 30, then you get 4, then you take this 0 down. So 5 times what is 40?
8.
So it should be 68, right?
Yeah. I
Now,
knew what to I knew what to do, but I just got the last bit wrong.
yeah. Now you multiply 68 with 2, so you get
Yeah. Plus 8 is 16. Is it 116?
now check your calculation again.
Wouldn't it be 11 though?
68 times 2.
I'm doing in the column method.
Okay, yeah. So 8 times
At
2. First you do it.
16,
So you put 6 and 1 there. Then 6 times 2
12.
plus 1, you get 136, right? That's your answer.
I keep going down. Why do I keep going down?
Now you do for ratio 3. This is for 2, right? When we
Yeah.
divide it. Mm. For 3 ratio, what should I write? What should be your first step?
3 over 5 times 340.
Exactly. So 340 divided by 5, you already know, which is 68, right? We did it. So this time you have to multiply 68 with 3, right?
Yeah.
Do it.
3 times 6 is 18. 20. Is it 204?
Yes, good. That's correct. Okay. So now let's suppose you have given um let's say the cost of something is 5y plus 2, and let's say y is number of books. Okay, and you like purchase, let's say 12 books. How much would you have to pay for 12 books? Try this.
Could you show me an example how you do it?
Okay, this one, at place of w we plugged 6 because there were 6 windows and w was the number of windows. So we do 2 times 6 plus 5 is equals to c, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that was our answer. Should I go up?
Yeah. Mhm. Is the Y, what does the Y stand for?
Y is number of books, and let's say you bought 12 books. Okay, I wrote here y is number of books.
What do I do? Could you go down for a second, please?
Yes.
5 times the amount of windows by 12. Add 2. So 5 times 12 is 60. Add the 2. 62. Is it 62?
Okay, they are doing this one. Yeah, it is 62. Very good. Did you get it? They can also give you, suppose there is, let's say y is equals to 2x plus 5, let's say z, and they
Yeah.
ask you to find y if x is 3 and z is 2. So just plug the values of x. This is x. You should put it here. And z is 2, which you should put here. Can you try this?
Alright. Uh, is that the question we did earlier? The like term question.
Mm, yeah, I think I don't remember. But just plug the value of x here and the value of z here. And the operation between two x is 2 times x, right? That's how we write. After multiplying we 2 and x, we get 2x. So the operation between them is multiplication. Also here,
We do
okay?
3, which is 6.
Yes, here we got 6. Then
And
here,
then we do 5 times 2, which is 10.
then we add them, we get, yeah, good. Okay, find 25% of 125. Try this.
First, we have to find 10% of it.
Sorry, first you
Let's
can. Hmm.
find 10% of 125. That is, what is that? About 5%.
Uh, you can just convert this 25% into fraction first. When we remove percentage sign, percent means out of 100, right? So you got 25 over 100. Off means times 125. If you divide 125 with 100, you will get, if you divide a whole number with a 100 or like 1000 or 10, any number that has 0, so there are two zeros, right? So you write the number as it is, and if there are two zeros, after two digit you will put a decimal. So the answer is 1.25.
Okay.
So basically you need to multiply 25 with 1.25, okay, which would be 31.25. That's your answer. Let me give you one more. Find, let's say, 20% of 120. Try this.
Um, 120 divided by 100. So we put 1 there and 120 times 20. Is it 1.40?
1 point?
40.
No. How did you do it? Can you explain?
Yes, I did. 120 divided by 100. And I got
This
one.
20%, you write 20 over 100, right? This is 20%. Then you
Yeah,
multiply times it with 120. Did you write this?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you divide this 120 with 100. So if you divide it, you will get 1.20, right? As I told
Right.
you, you write the number. There are two zeros. So after uh, decimal place, we put the decimal. Then we multiply 1.20 with 20, right? Which is 1.20. If you times it with 20, you get 24. Okay.
Oh,
Hello.
hello?
Yeah, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you other one. Try this 5% of uh, let's say 200.
So do we do first 5 over 100?
Yes.
So we do 200 divided by 10. Would that be 0.02?
If you divide 200 with 100, yeah, these two zeros cancel out with each other. You just get 2, right? Or even if
Yeah.
you write 200 and you do after two digit, you put decimal. So 2.00 is same as 2. So you can just write 2.
So then we do, that's easy then, isn't that, that's 10 then?
Yeah, the answer is 10. Okay. Okay. So um, for this one, for Alina scores, can you find range?
What was the range again? Like, what did range mean again?
Highest, highest value, subtract lowest or least.
So 26 and 12.
Yeah, which is 26 minus 12 is,
Is it 14?
yes, so the range is 14. Okay. Um, and what is the median for this, for Alina score?
Do you mean Sue's one?
Yeah, there are two, right? Because in
Yeah.
the middle, median means middle value. There are two values. So what would you do?
Minus them.
No, no, you don't subtract, you add them. Add them. 17 plus 21 is,
Um, it's a 38.
yes, then you divide it with 2. Okay, so 38 divided by 2 is, divide it.
Uh, 2 there. Is it 25?
38 divided by 2, no. Divided again, this is easy one, you can do it.
Anyway, yeah, that's right, hopefully. So 2 minus 2 divided by 3 you can't do, so that will be 2. Wouldn't it be 2?
Yeah, first, if you, like for, because you can't take 3. So 2 comes in 2 times table at
2 times 1.
1. Then
Then you do 2 and 8, which is 4.
Sorry?
So first, 3 minus 2, it's 1.
Yeah,
And then put 4 down. 8.
that's 8, not 4.
Oh, 8. Um, 22, that's 9.
Yeah, so the answer is 19, right? So the median for this is 19, okay?
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. If the cost of one pencil is suppose 12 pence, what would be the cost of 26 pencils? Can you try this? This is the cost of one pencil, 12 pence.
2 pencils.
Yeah?
The the cost of 26 pencils. So what was the question that was previously?
Okay. Cost of one pencil is 12 pence. Okay. This is the cost of one pencil. What would be the cost of 26 pencils?
Can you show me an example, please?
Yeah? What
Could
should
you
I?
show me an example? Because I can't remember how to do this one.
Okay. Like if the cost of one apple is 25 pence, cost of two apple would be 2 times 25, which is 50 pence,
Okay.
right? So when do we multiply? When we are fine, like when we have given for less number, like for one apple cost is given, we are finding for more, we are finding for two apples, so we multiply in this case. In this case, we have given one pencil cost, we have to find for 26. So what we need
We
to
did,
do?
we did 2 times 26.
12 times 26, that's 12, right? Yeah, do it.
Oh, 212. What?
Sorry.
Is it 212, the answer?
Not 200. You said 212.
Yeah.
It's 312.
Oh my god.
Check where you made mistake, you will get 312
I
pence.
did I did put my ad sign, so then I put 2 there, not instead of 3.
Oh,
I did long multiplication, so.
okay. Now, okay, so um, can you tell me how much is 6 to the power 3?
So 6 times 3, so it was basically 6 times 3, isn't it?
6 times
Isn't it basically 6 times 3?
this? You mean 18?
Yeah.
No. It
Right.
means multiply 6, write 6 3 times and then multiply them. Okay, this is what it means. Multiplying a number with this many times. So 6 times 6 is 36, right? And then 36 times 6 is, multiply it, 36 times 6.
Is it 216?
Yes, good. Now find 5 raised to power 2. How much is this? 5 square.
Is it 32?
5 square?
Let me check. I did this at school. 25, 25.
Yeah, that's 25. 5 to the power 2 means we need to multiply 5 two times. 5
Okay.
times 5. Um, let's say you have 3 to the power 4. Can you try this?
Is it 81?
Very good. It is 81. Great. Um, then so out of 9.98 and 1.05, which one is closest to 1? I mean, sorry, this is 11.05. Which number is closest to 10?
11. No, no. 9.
Um, 9.98, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, because here if you subtract them, you get 0.02. And if you subtract this from 11.05, you get 1.05. So 10 is more close to 9.98. Mm, okay. Can you convert 5 meters into centimeter?
500.
Very good. 15 meter into centimeter?
1500.
We say that 1500, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say you have 200 centimeter. Can you convert it into meter?
Would it be 20?
2, right?
Oh,
200 divided by 100 is 2, right? We are doing opposite this time. Remember BSM, bigger to smaller, we multiply. SBD, this means as smaller to bigger, we divide. Centimeter is smaller, meter is bigger. So we are going smaller to bigger. That's why we are dividing it with 100, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So we divided it with 100. Okay, try this. 900 centimeter, convert it into meters.
is 9.
Yes, exactly, it is 9. Okay, now let's say you have 1200 centimeter, convert it into meter.
Would it be 12?
Absolutely correct, it would be 12. Let's see. Okay, so can you convert 9 kilogram into grams?
9,000.
Very good. What if you have 15,000 grams, convert it into kilogram?
Would it be 15?
Very good, it would be 15. So see, when you are doing bigger, because kilogram is bigger than gram, when you convert bigger to smaller, we multiply BSM. When we do smaller to bigger, we divide. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Good. Um, what about 22,000 grams into kilogram? Convert it.
22.
Very good. That's correct. Okay. Um, now you have to do Okay, let's say you have 72, you have to convert 72 kilometer into miles. Can you try it?
Would it be 72 thousand 7,200?
No, kilometer into miles. Use this. 8 kilometer is equals to 5 miles.
Oh, okay. I thought we went to do the other way. The other question.
Yeah,
So 72 divided by 8.
yeah. First we divide it with 8.
Isn't that 9? Yes, 9.
Yes, it is 9.
Do
And
9
hmm,
5.
yeah, 9 times 5 is.
45.
So the answer is 45 miles. Okay, clear? Um, Now let's do. Okay, how would you find. Okay, can you try this? 2/4 of 16. How would you find 2/4 of 16?
I have to do 16 minus, divided by
Yeah,
4.
yes,
It's 4.
yes,
For that 4, you do that for 2 times 4, which is 8.
exactly, which is 8. That's great. Okay, try this. 3/9 of 27.
3, 9, not 27. So we do 27 minus, no, wait, divided by 9, which is
Yeah,
3. We
yes,
3, 3, which is 9.
exactly. That's great. Um, Now we need to do. hmm, So, like if I subtract negative number, if I add a negative number and a positive number, basically I have to subtract them. Like 16 minus 6 is 10, and bigger
Yeah.
number is negative, so it is negative 6. I mean negative 10. Can you try this? How much is this?
Would it be minus 28?
Minus, no, we don't have to add them. As I told you, one number is negative, other is positive, so we need to subtract them. When we are adding a negative and positive, we subtract. So 23 minus 5 is.
We try that again.
Okay,
Is it minus 18?
very good, that's correct, it is minus 18. Great. So what are perpendicular lines, do you know?
Straight lines.
Yeah, lines that intersect and make right angle, like this line and this line, they are intersecting and making 90-degree angle, right angle, right? So these line are perpendicular. Okay, do you have any question?